Al-Aqsa International School, Bashak Shahir. Our mission is to prepare qualified teachers who educate students using a developed international curriculum within a healthy environment and in accordance with value system. Some of the major characteristics of our school are Montessori method of teaching for preschool students, professional teaching staff,
I'm Daveen, KG English teacher and KG coordinator.
My name is Yusuf Al-Jari, electronics engineer.
I'm Sami Orfali, master degree in solid state physics from Aleppo University.
I'm Mrs. Itidal. I'm a mathematics teacher in Al-Aqsa International School.
state-of-the-art teaching techniques, fully equipped laboratories, maintaining prayers and worship practices, full accreditation by Advanced Ed and the Turkish Ministry of Education, a great attention to the pedagogical activities and activities that promote values. And during this period, a serious attention is paid to maintaining general hygiene rules and social distancing. Quality education is your right and our responsibility. Al-Aqsa International School in Bashak Shahir, your best choice.